everyone, this is Sudhir and welcome back to my class. So today we are going to discuss about the perfect squares and non-perfect square numbers. So just look at the question here. Find the smallest number by which 3645 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. That means the given number is not a perfect square. By multiplying by which something a number, so we should get a perfect square. So what is that number? We can find out. Okay. Generally, you know the prime factorization. How to do the prime factorization? So I'm going to take a number, 3645. So I want to divide the prime factors. So you know the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, right? From this, last digit is 5. So that by which number we can divide it? By the 5 number. By the 5, okay? So 5, 7 is 35. It carries 1 here, 1, 4, 14, 5, 2 are 10, 4, 5, 45, 5, 9 is 45. So last number is not a even number, so we can't divide it is by the 2 table. Just we can add 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is the multiple of 3, so that this number is divisible by 3. So 3 is the prime number. I'm going to take a 3 here. 3 2s are 6. 1 to 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Similarly, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so again we can divide by the 3 table. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s, because 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, again we can divide by the 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 2 1, 21, 3 7s are 21, and here it is 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so what is the number here? This is 3 6 4 5. We can write as 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 3 are there here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and only one 5 is there. Only one 5 is there. Okay, so you know how to find out the square root of a number. That in the previous class we have discussed that we should select from every two number, right? That means we have to take a pair. From the pair we can select one number. So what are the pair here? This is a pair. This is another pair, and here one more pair is there. But 5 is alone. 5 is alone here. So that means this 3645 is not a perfect square. To get a perfect square, 5 you should get, one more 5 you should take here. So to take one more 5 here in right hand side, so the left hand side also we should multiply with that 5, then it become a perfect square. Okay, so in prime factorization, of 3645, 3 comma 3 comma 3 is a pair, but 5 is alone. Therefore, we should multiply by 5 on both sides to get perfect square. Okay, so 3645 into 5. Just I am going to multiply with 5 here, and the right hand side as usual we have 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. With one more 5 we have multiplied here. Okay, so then what is the number here? 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18. So 18,225 is a perfect square, but not a 3645. To get a perfect square, we should multiply by 5. So then what is the square root you will get for that number? What is square root you will get for this number? Then you take from this 3 1 3, from this 3 1 3, from this 2 3 1 3, from this 2 1 5, then 3 3 are 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 into 5, 27 into 5, 5 7 is 35, 5 is 10 plus 3 13, 135 is the square root of 18,225. So finally, by which number we should multiply? With 5 only. So we should multiply by 5 to get a perfect square. So I hope you understood this one. So next question will continue. So then the next question is question number 3. You can try that problem, like the previous problem how we have discussed, means how to find out a number to get a perfect square by multiplying with a number. Like before question how we did the same model with the 2400, that one also by multiply 2400 by multiplying by which number we will get a perfect square. So that is a question. So you can try that problem. And here is the same model, that is 7776, but here we should find by divide to get a perfect square. See, look at the question here. Find the smallest number by which 7776 is to be divided to get a perfect square. So what we do now, you can take it 7776 and divided by last number is 6, so it should be divisible by 2. Then take it to 2 3s 6 1. It should one should carry here 1 7 17 2 8s 6. Sorry, 2 8s are 16. One should carry from here to there. That means 17. 2 8s are 16. 1 6 16. 2 8s are 16. So last number is 8. That is even number. So divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 8 18. 2 8s. 2 9s 18, 2 4s 8 and 2 4s are 8. 2 table again, 2 9s are 18, 1 4 14, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Again take the 2 table here, 2 4s 8, 1 7 17. So 2 8s are 16, 1 to 12, 2 1 should carry here, so 1 to 12, 2 6 are 12, 486, 6 is the even number. Again we should divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 is a multiple of 3, so that we divide by the 3 here. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6, 2 1 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s 27, 3 3s are 9. So 7 7 7 6, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 times 2s are there. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 3 is there. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So look at here, children. So what is the pair in this? We have to select. These two as a pair. This is a pair. These 2 3s are the pair. These are the pair. Okay. But middle 2 and 3 is there. So 2 and 3 both are not a pair here. So that we should to get a perfect square, we should divide by a number. Can you guess what is that number? Yes, that is 2 and 3. Means 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. So here 6 is a number now. 6 is the number without pair. So to remove that 6, we should divide. We should divide by the 6 to get a perfect square. Okay. So what is that? We should write here in prime factorization of 7776, 7776, 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 are the pairs, but 2 into 3 equal to 6 is alone. So to get a perfect square, 7776 should divided by which number? 6. Now I am going to divide by the 6 here. 7776 divided by 6. That means here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So it's divided by 6. So what we get it here? If I divide by the 6 this number, just I am doing see for here 7 ones are 7, 1 7 17, 7 2s. Sorry, 6 ones are 6, 1 7 17, 6 2s are 12. We have 5 5 7 57, 6 9s 54. So 3 6 36, 6 6 are 36. So 1296 is a perfect square, but not a 7776. If I divide 7776 by 6, now we'll get a perfect square, that is 1296. So what is the answer? We can check. 6 ones, 2 3s are 6. Both will be cancelled. From these 2 you will get it 1 2, and from this 1 2, from this 1 3, and from here 1 3. Now the root of 1296 answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay, so this is the model. These are the very important model, children. So which is a perfect square, which is not a perfect square. So to get a perfect square, by which number we have to multiply? To get a perfect square, by which number we should divide? So these concepts are very, very important. So I hope you understood this model. So in the next class we'll continue with fifth step problems. Okay, so that's the topic today. Take care, bye and jai.